Hi there. Now we are going to learn how to perform row operations on a matrix. And yes, row operations. Well, you see here we have our matrix and we're asked to do this two row operations, which is to change row 2 into this, which just means that you're going to multiply every number on your first row times -3 and added every number on your second row. So let's do that. It's going to be, let's see, in yellow. So we have our first row stays intact because we're only going to be changing our second row first to, oh yeah, that shouldn't have happened. Let me see, because I'm going to be writing a lot. So let's start with the second row, the one that we are going to change first. This is going to be -3 times the number on the first row, which is 1, right? So -3 times 1 plus the number on the second row, which is 3. So plus 3, our one here. And then let's go to the other one, which is going to be -3 times -4 plus -7. And we got our -4 over here. And then our next one is -3 times 3 plus 7. And we have our 3 here. And then there's this -3 times 2. I'm sorry, times 2 plus 3. And our 2 here. And our 3 here. Our 5, and -2. So that's what we have to do. And our matrix is going to end up looking like this. It's going to be 1, 0, -2. And then -4, 5, and 3, -2, 5, and we got our 2, -3, a 3, and a 3. That's how it's going to look after our first row operation. Okay, now we want to use this matrix that we just got. We want to use it to get our second row operation for row 3. So that should look something like this. Wait. Okay. Let's see. Oh no, we're gonna use the first one. Oh yes, my bad. I'm sorry. So let's do the other row operation. That was the answer for the first row operation. Now let's do the other row operation for row 3. It'll be like this. Have gonna be 2 times our row 1, which is 1, plus our row 3, which is -2. And then 2 times row 1, which is -4, plus our row 3, which is 5. And then 2 times our row 1, which is 3, plus our row 3, which is 5. And then we're going to have our 2 times 2 plus 3. There we go. So here's going to be a 3 and -7, a 7 and a 3, and a 1 and -4, and a 3 and a 2. Remember that we're doing this row operation for the first matrix, the white one. So yes, And that should look like this. Okay, it's gonna be 1, 3, 0, -4, -7, and -3, and 3, 7, 11, and our 2, our 3, and our 7. And that's how you do row operations. Just practice, and practice makes perfect. So good luck and goodbye.